Hello YouTube, this is Dr. hzscribe, and I am here today with another scripture writing. And I want to say thank you to all the people who have chosen to follow along on my videos and who are watching. And thank you so much for that. And I just wanted to show you what I am doing to this particular page, the second week in February. So the scriptures for this week, and again, if you want a copy of the scriptures or my Bible reading plan, email me and I can send it to you. I didn't create it, but the scriptures, I just picked one from out of my reading list where I read 3 to 4 chapters a day in order to complete the Bible in a year. So for the 8th of February 2021, the scripture I had was Exodus 40:34. Then a cloud covered the tent of the congregation, and the glory of the Lord filled the tabernacle. And then on the 9th, I had Leviticus 4:14. When the sin which they have sinned against it is known, then the congregation shall offer a young bullock for the sin and bring him before the tabernacle of the congregation. I can't read my writing. Alright, Leviticus 6:7. And the priest shall make an atonement for him before the Lord, and it shall be forgiven him for anything of all that he have done in trespassing therein. And then on Thursday, Leviticus 10:10, and that you may put difference between holy and unholy, and between unclean and clean. Kind of make a separation. Friday, Leviticus 11:45, for I am the Lord that bringeth you up out of the land of Egypt to be your God. Ye should therefore be holy, for I am holy. And then Leviticus 16:6 says, and Aaron shall offer his bullock of the sin offering, which is for him, and make an atonement for himself and for his house. And then the 17th is Leviticus 17:11. For the life of the flesh is in the blood, and I have given it to you upon the altar to make atonement for your souls. For it is the blood that maketh an atonement for the soul. See, that ties into the reason why Jesus died on the cross. He just wasn't a nice person sacrificing his life. It is because blood is required for sin. That's why it's so important that we have to read the Old Testament to understand the New Testament. And a lot of people don't know the connection between the two, and why Jesus had to go to the cross. It was more than just being, hey, I'm cool, I'm going to sacrifice myself. He had a purpose, and that was to bring us freedom. So I am going to speed things up and let you see my finished product. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back, and while I was making this, oh my goodness, we had our second Amber Alert in 2 days. 2 days. Like, never get Amber Alerts. 2 days. Different cities. One was not, I mean, literally less than 5 minutes from me, and the other one's about 15 in a different city across the water, but still. Both of which were 3-month-old babies. The first one was a Hispanic 3-month-old baby, which was returned back yesterday. So the one just then, this is the afternoon now, is the black 3-month-old baby. So I don't know what's going on with this kidnapping of babies. So yeah, please pray for our little ones. I had to stop saying prayer. It just upsets me so bad. Somebody would take somebody's baby. I just can only pray that the baby is fine. Glad that the first one was returned yesterday, so I'm just praying the same thing happens with this one, that somebody's able to turn them in. Alright, well, yesterday was I think a carjacking, but they had the baby in the car, so maybe something like that and get the baby back. So this is the second week, the 8th through the 14th, and as you saw, what I used was some creative devotion stems. This was some background splotches and stuff, just to, you know, a little flower, just to add a little dimension. And you saw the stickers, the washi just was giving me heck. I'm gonna go back and hole punch it. I do have the hole puncher, so I'm gonna go back and hole punch these out so I can put it in my planner. And I'm trying to decide. I think I may. Well, no, I'm gonna leave it black. I'm gonna leave it white because I think if I color it, I might do the wrong color right now. But anyway, that is what I did for this week. And so hopefully you guys are doing the same with your scripture. Just, you know, it could be in a notebook. It does not even have to be a planner. Loose leaf sheet of paper, index cards, whatever, and just, you know, decorating the scripture. You don't have to, because learning it is more important. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and let God use you to be his scribe. Take care. God bless.